G'day, I'm Grant from Motion, and with me today is Duminda, Application Engineer with 3M. Welcome, Duminda.
Hello, Grant.
And I see we've now got a range here of the 550 Polyurethane Adhesive Sealants from 3M. Tell me what makes this product a standout.
So what this does is it bonds and seals at the same time, and it works with a wide variety of materials.
So what applications are we going to traditionally see this performing well at?
So we see a lot of applications when it comes to buses, trucks, recreational vehicles, so your camper vans, caravans, and so it's used for bonding and sealing applications.
And what about marine?
Yes, so marine applications as well.
And below the waterline?
Yes, so it works below the waterline and above the waterline.
Yeah, okay, so if I use this particular product, how long is it going to be before I can get my first coat of paint over it?
So depending on the temperature and the humidity, between 60 to 90 minutes, you can, it'll skin over and then you can paint on top.
Fantastic. Well, there you have it. So if you'd like to know more about the range of 3M 550FC, reach out to your nearest Motion branch.